In this video, I'm going to show you how to import a license key in NinjaTrader 8. Now, for modern versions of NinjaTrader Desktop, which is mostly 8.1 or later, traditional license keys are no longer entered directly inside the desktop application. Instead, elements are tied directly to your online user account. So when you have an account, you can then get a plan, and it's going to be automatically linked when you then sign into that specific account, which has a plan or subscription. And if you sign in on the desktop app, you'll be able to basically use that plan. There's no need to import any license keys. However, if you still for some reason have to do it manually, you can go to Tools up top inside your desktop version of NinjaTrader and click on Client Dashboard. You could also open up the client dashboard in the web. It's completely up to you. And then from here, you want to go to the top right and you want to click on your profile icon or name and then click on Settings. Now inside Settings, it's going to load up and you want to go to Plans, and then from Plans here you can see it says Import License Key. So we can just click on Import License Key, and then there we go. Here you can basically type in or paste your license key, click on Import, and that's how we can do it manually, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.